Edgardo Cariaga and others versus Laguna Tayabas Bus Company and Manila Railroad Company. The parties in this case are Edgardo Cariaga and his parents, Laguna Tayabas Bus Company, and Manila Railroad Company. The facts of the case are as follows. June 18, 1952, a bus under Laguna Tayabas Bus Company, while on its way to Lilio, Laguna, the bus and train collided at the intersection of the railroad track and the National Highway of Bay Laguna. Bus driver immediately died while many passengers were injured, including Edgardo Cariaga, who is at that time a fourth-year medical student of University of Santo Tomas. Cariaga needed serious medical attention due to the injuries he suffered. The Laguna Tayabas Bus Company paid for all hospital, medical, and miscellaneous expenses incurred from June 18 to April of 1953. On April 24, 1953, the present action was filed against LTB and Manila Railroad Company to claim for damages. Laguna Tayabas Bus Company filed a cross-claim against Manila Railroad Company. Laguna Tayabas Bus Company denied liability. It alleged that the accident was due to MRR Company's negligence for not providing a crossing bar at the point where the National Highway crossed the railroad track. RR also denied liability, stating that the bus driver was negligent as supported by the claims of the witness Gregorio Elizondo. The lower court held that it was the negligence of the bus driver that caused the accident and as a result rendered judgment sentencing the LTB to pay Edgardo Cariaga the sum of 10,490 pesos as compensatory damages, and dismissing the cross-claim against the Manila Railroad Company. And from this decision, the Cariagas and the LTB appealed. So the issues in this case: whether or not the bus driver was negligent. The court ruled that based on evidence, while the train was approximately 300 meters from the crossing, the engineer sounded two long and two short whistles, and upon reaching a point about 100 meters from the highway, he sounded a long whistle which lasted up to the time the train was about to cross it. The bus proceeded on its way without slackening its speed, and it bumped against the train engine, causing the accident. Contributory negligence on the part of MRR. The lower court did not err in dismissing the cross-claim against it. The second issue is whether or not the claim of Cariaga's parents for actual and moral damages was aptly denied by the lower court. The court ruled that insofar as the LTB is concerned, the present action is based upon a breach of contract of carriage, to which said spouses were not a party. Neither can they premise their claim upon the negligence of quasi-delict of the LTB, for the simple reason that they were not themselves injured as a result of the collision between the LTB bus and the train owned by the Manila Railroad Company.